Welcome back to 10 Slide Info. Fighter crash news is something which none of the country would like to hear, but when it happens, it is obviously a big loss for them. Induction of every fighter takes so much cost and effort and time, so when such a crash happens, it obviously hurts the relevant defense sources. There could be many reasons behind every fighter crash, but very rarely we see fighters crashing to the refueling tanker aircraft in mid-air. Looks like this is something which has happened today, which is September 30, 2020. According to US Marine Corps, a Marine Corps F 35 fighter jet crashed in Imperial County, California, after clipping the wing of a Marine KC 130 refueling tanker during a mid air refueling. To be more precise, at approximately 4 p.m. PST, it was reported that F 35B made contact with KC 130J during an air to air refueling operation, resulting in the crash of M 35B. The pilot was able to eject safely and he is in treatment right now. The KC 130 ended up making an emergency landing in a field near Thermal, California, and all 8 crew members aboard the tanker survived and were unharmed. Even though there is no clear root cause behind this problem, the US Marines have mentioned that the incident is under investigation. According to a defense official, the KC 130 was stationed at the Marine Corps Air Station in San Diego, California, and the F 35 was based in Iwakuni, Japan. If we quickly see the details about the tanker and fighter jets, the F 35B is a short takeoff and vertical landing variant of Lockheed Martin F 35 Lightning II aircraft. Similar in size of F 35A, the F 35B sacrifices in fuel volume to accommodate the shaft driven lift fan system. Coming to the tanker details, the Lockheed Martin KC 130 is an extended range tanker version of C 130 Hercules transport aircraft, which is modified for aerial refueling, and the KC 130J is the latest variant operated by the United States Marine Corps. So that was an update on the United States Marine Corps F 35B hitting the tanker, causing it to crash to the ground and burst into flames. We also know that the pilot managed to escape and parachute to safety and now is being treated for injuries. The KC 130 tanker ended up making an emergency landing in a field near Thermal, California, and all 8 crew members aboard the tanker survived. Thanks for watching. I'll upload another video with a new defense update or an aviation update later. Please do subscribe my channel and hit the bell button next to it, and also feel free to leave a comment in the comment section. Thank you.